Akiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa icera thibitari-ini ya Thika level 5, CEC wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Turkana Apalia Anthony augite maracerire kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuona ni imwe ya kaunti iria ciri na thibitari cia gikiro kia iguru kia ukinyaniria wa motungata.
Basically the trip is meant to learn more on the designs, the plans on putting up level 6 hospital in Turkana. We are starting from scratch, and we wanted to get more insight in other counties that have done similar works regarding level 6.
Anthony augite icera riri niriguteithiriria waki-ini wa thibitari ya gikiro kia level 6 iria itanyitwo gwakwo kaunti-ini ya Turkana.
We also chose Kiambu because they have a number of level 5 hospitals which are successful, like Thika level 5 hospital. So we decided to come in so that we get a feel of what is happening in such a high level hospital which has a bigger catchment in terms of population. So this will make us have a feel of what will be replicated in the other end of our county.
Hamwe na maundu maria maabitha aya maragire na mweke wa kwaririria ni mitaratara ya kuramata sekta ya urigitani hamwe na utaramu uria urabatarania gukinyaniria motungata.
Gained some knowledge, we've had a lot of data which will essentially help us to erect our level 6 hospital in Turkana. Our timeline is within 1.5 to 2 years period. We will have a complex of a level 6 hospital in Turkana because already in the current budget we have put some money.
CEC wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu Elias Maina augite kaunti ino ni yambiriirie mutaratara ya kugacirithia mathibitari na njira ya gutigirira kuri na dawa kuri haruti a wira ihinda-ini riria riagiriire hamwe na mangi.
Kiambiriria makiria hena mbeca iria cioyagwo thiini wa thibitari ni tura make sure ati o mbeca iria cioyo kana cionganio ni undu wa arwaru aria mathondeko mbeca icio ni ciacoka o thibitari-ini o iyo kugura dawa iria irahuthikire kugura indo iria irahuthirirwo ciothe igacoka o thibitari-ini iyo nigetha thibitari iyo gutire hindi ikaga dawa, thibitari iyo gutire hindi ikaga indo cia kuruta wira.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, yetagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.